Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you like budget decor, I would love it if you'll become part of the family by clicking the red subscribe button and then tapping the bell and all to be notified every single time I upload. So for today we have a Dollar Tree DIY and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
So to start off, I just take these bless your heart signs. You can find them in the Valentine's Day section. They also have other signs that don't have this wording on it that are pretty much identical, just different designs. So anything square that you find you can use. So I just pop those little hearts off and I flip it over and take this sticker off. Now the sticker was pretty easy because it wasn't stuck all the way down, but if you have trouble taking stickers off, all you have to do is take a blow dryer to it and then the stickers come up really easily. So I just take my white Waverly chalk paint, and this brush I got it from Walmart. I know that people like me to tell you what brush I'm using, so I just got it in a multi-pack from Walmart, and I just go ahead and paint everything that you see that was brown, and I did do 2 coats. So I went on my computer and I found this Hello Spring. It wasn't a printable. I just copy the image and then paste it into Word, print it out after I resize it, and then cut it down. So after I did all that, I took my graphite paper and traced over the wording, and then took my fine point black paint pen and went over it. And I'm so sorry my head is in the way, you guys. I changed the angle of my camera just so that way you can see more, and of course my big hair was in the way, so again I apologize for that. I did go ahead over the greenery and use my green paint pen to go over that. So after I had that all done, I have this quilter's ruler, and because a regular ruler would not fit inside of here, so originally I made a mark on every inch, and I realized that it was just too small for me, so I did go ahead in every 1.5 inches. So after I had my marks, I did go ahead and trace along those lines. Now after I traced my lines, I did use a black Sharpie to go over my lines. I wanted it to look rustic, so I wasn't very perfect when drawing my lines. Again, I wanted it to look rustic, so it didn't matter to me, but if that bothers you, then definitely take a ruler again and go over it with your Sharpie. So you can use a paint pen for this, but my fine point black paint pen is running out. I have to get a new one, so that's why I use my Sharpie, but either will work. So I had this greenery and lavender laying around for a while, and these are from Walmart. Now I'm gonna be honest, you guys, these were not my first pick. I really wanted to use a few really pretty pink, like roses, or I forget what they were called, and I thought they were in my stash, but I must have put them away with my spring decor last season, and I wasn't running out in the cold in the shed to get it, so I just used what I had on hand, and it came out okay. You guys can let me know in the comments down below what you think, but I definitely think that it would look better with some flowers, but it's your preference. I do like the way it turned out in the end, but I just wish that I had those flowers on hand. So anyway, I just took, this is eucalyptus, again from Walmart, and lavender. I just cut some picks off of it, and I got it to where, you know, how I liked it, and I just bunched them together, and then I cut a piece of twine off, wrapped it around, and just made a simple bow. Now my bows weren't perfect. I don't really like to tie a bow like this. I'd rather tie it around, knot it, and then make a bow and glue it down, just because it looks more perfect like that. But in the end, it doesn't look bad. So if you like your bows to be perfect, then I definitely suggest to do it the other way. So after I have my twine wrapped around my picks, I just flip it over and glue it down, and I repeat that for the other side. And I just wanted to mention, you guys, I'm so sorry that I did not upload earlier in the week. I do plan on doing a sit down video just to kind of explain everything that's been going on my end. I've got a lot going on. I thought that after my daughter being sick for a few weeks and then getting everybody else sick, that things would calm down a little bit. But when you have little ones, there is never a dull moment. She got pink eye, gave it to me, and things are just not slowing down like I thought they would. So again, I do plan on doing a sit down video. I know this video was quick, you guys, but it's all I had time for today, so I'd rather upload something quick than nothing at all. I really love every single one of you so much. I appreciate all the love and support. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
There's no doubt in my mind, you will always be there, heading out to see ya.